Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start Current Affairs Capsule, Daily Current Affairs, September, Day 3. Recently, how many new districts has the central government announced to create in Ladakh? हाल ही में कितने नए जिले केंद्रीय सरकार लद्दाख में बनाने की घोषणा की है? The answer is 5. The central government announced the formation of 5 new districts in the Union Territory of Ladakh, and these 5 new districts are Janskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra and Changthang are the 5 new districts. At present, Ladakh has only 2 districts, that is one is Leh and another one is Kargil. Okay, now total number of districts will be 7. Okay, so 5 new districts will be formed in the Ladakh. Recently, which of the following countries will host third Voice of Global South Summit to address pressing global challenges that disproportionately affect the global South? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा देश थर्ड वॉइस ऑफ ग्लोबल साउथ समिट को होस्ट किया है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज इंडिया. ओके, एंड इन दिस टाइम दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज हेल्ड इन ए वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट एंड थीम फॉर दिस टाइम इज एन एम्पावर्ड ग्लोबल साउथ फॉर ए सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर. ओके, this is the theme for this time, third Voice of Global South Summit. Okay, so it is a South-South Cooperation Summit and India host for this time. Recently, government is set to launch a monthly radio program aimed at bringing scientific knowledge to farmer. What is the name of this program? हाल ही में सरकार किसानों के वैज्ञानिक ज्ञान लाने के उद्यम से एक मासिक रेडियो कार्यक्रम शुरू करने के लिए तैयारी की है. सो इस कार्यक्रम का नाम क्या है? द आंसर इज किसान की बात, एंड इट इज ए मंथली रेडियो प्रोग्राम एंड इट विल प्रोवाइड साइंटिफिक नॉलेज टू द फार्मर. ओके, सो इट विल प्रोवाइड साइंटिफिक नॉलेज टू द फार्मर. Recently, ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, launched 2 non-transgenic herbicide-tolerant rice variety. One is Pusa Basmati 1979 variety. Another one is Pusa Basmati 1985 variety. Okay, so name of this program is Kisan Ki Baat. As per the information, Anand Kumar has been selected as a tourism ambassador of which country? जानकारी के अनुसार आनंद कुमार किस देश के पर्यटन राजदूत के रूप में चुना गया है? सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज साउथ कोरिया. आनंद कुमार, द फाउंडर ऑफ सुपर 30, was appointed as the ambassador of Korean Tourism 2024 at a special event in Seoul, that is capital of South Korea. Okay, and in 2023 he was awarded with the Padma Shri by the Indian government. Recently, which Indian state is reported bird flu in chickens in August 2024? हाल ही में भारत में किस राज्य में 2024 में मुर्गियों में बर्ड फ्लू की सूचना दी है? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज ओडिशा. The recent case of bird flu was reported from a poultry farm in Pipili town located in the Puri district of Odisha. Okay, and it is a H5N1 strain of avian influenza, and its first outbreak in India was reported in February 2006 in Maharashtra. Okay, as per the information, India and Israel have launched a joint project to set up a Center of Water Technology at which of the following institute? सूचना के अनुसार भारत और इजराइल ने निम्नलिखित संस्थाओं में से इसे जल प्रौद्योगिकी का केंद्र दैट इज सेंटर ऑफ वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी स्थापित करने के लिए संयुक्त परियोजना की शुरू की है. सो नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट इज IIT मद्रास. ओके. Israel is the discoverer of drip irrigation. According to NIRF rating, IIT Madras is a top in overall category in best engineering college. And this program, Center of Water Technology, it is a part of Amrut mission, and this mission under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So name of the institute is IIT Madras. Recently, which state government has launched मुख्यमंत्री सुख शिक्षा योजना? हाल ही में किस राज्य सरकार ने मुख्यमंत्री सुख शिक्षा योजना की लॉन्च की है? So name of the state government is Himachal Pradesh. This scheme aims to provide enhanced financial assistance to widows, destitute women, divorced women, and disabled parents for upbringing and education of their children. So it is a financial assistance scheme. Himachal Pradesh government has launched recently Mukhyamantri Sukh Shiksha Yojana. As per the information, Kerala government in partnership with which of the following companies has hosted India's first international Gen AI conclave in Kochi? जानकारी के अनुसार केरला गवर्नमेंट किसके साथ पार्टनरशिप किया है फॉर द होस्ट इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल जनरेशन AI conclave in Kochi? Name of the company is IBM. It is an American innovation company and it happened in Kochi in Kerala. Recently, who has been re-elected as the national president of Lok Janshakti Party? हाल ही में किसे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में चुना गया लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी में? His name is Chirag Paswan. Union Minister Chirag Paswan re-elected as the national president of Lok Janshakti Party for the next 5 years. Lok Janshakti Party was a state political party mainly based in the state of Bihar. So, Chirag Paswan has been re-elected as the national president of Lok Janshakti Party. Recently, which state government India's first to adopt the Unified Pension Scheme? किस राज्य सरकार ने यूनिफाइड पेंशन स्कीम को पहले अडॉप्ट किया? नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज महाराष्ट्र. Maharashtra became the first state to adopt the Unified Pension Scheme and it will become effective from March 2025. Okay. So Maharashtra government became the India's first state to adopt the Unified Pension Scheme. And this new scheme will replace the existing national pension system. And the Union Cabinet in meeting held in 24 August 2024 and chaired by PM Modi has approved the Unified Pension System for its employees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.